Hello, my name is Robert Hilliar, and as you may or may not know, for some time now, Maureen, Bransden and I have been working together on our psycho-spiritual guidance method. And this is where Maureen, the psychic, and me, the psychologist, work together to probably get better results than either of us could ever get alone. And have got alone. We've been doing this for some time, but what is exciting is because for the first time ever, we're going to be doing this publicly in a group. So people can actually see what we're doing and see how it applies to them. So you're invited to come down on Friday, July the 6th to Hobart, where there's a spiritual expo on down there. And as part of that, on the Friday evening, we'll be doing a 2-hour session. And what we'll be doing is demonstrating with some people who volunteer. We'll be demonstrating the psycho-spiritual guidance method. Very, very exciting stuff for us. I don't know how it's going to work, but I do know it will be magnificent because every time Maureen and I work together with the guides, it becomes an extraordinary experience for us, and I'm sure for other people as well. And it just works better than anything we've ever done. So that's our first public. Won't be the last, but it's our first public one. So if you want to be first and see it for the first time yourself, be there. Thank you very much. Bye.